Hi, I'm Maureen Calamia, and I'm a Feng Shui author and teacher, but I'm also very passionate about our connection to the earth. And that's why I've been a volunteer at Sweetbriar Nature Center for over 15 years. Now, I'm hoping that you will come and support Sweetbriar Nature Center, which does so much for wildlife rehabilitation and nature education for our community. So I'm doing a workshop Tuesday, May 12th at 11 a.m. and hope you can join us. If you can't make it live, I will be sending out a link to the replay. So what we're going to do in this workshop is three things. First, we're going to do a meditation. Second, we're going to do some very simple Feng Shui tips that anybody can do in their home. And three, I'm going to open it up to your Feng Shui questions. Whatever you'd like to ask, we will cover that. So how do you register? Simply go to Sweetbriar's website. The link will be below, and click the donate button. The suggested donation is $25, but please donate whatever you can. And in the little note section, please mention it's for the Feng Shui workshop. This way I'll get your information and I'll send you the link to the Zoom call. So that's May 12th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Again, of course, I'll be sending out a replay as well. So I hope you join us and look forward to seeing you.